In this video, I will show you how to manually add credit card transactions to QuickBooks Online. So to do this, what you want to do is click on New in your QuickBooks menu. Now from here, go with Expense. Then you will see this. Now just enter everything, but the important parts are for the payment method. So what did you pay with? Select a credit card. And now for the payment accounts, you can keep it to cash and cash equivalents if that is where the credit card is getting the money from. In my case, I have a special one right here, which is credit card Visa with a separate balance. So I will just select that one, but you can again also choose one of these other ones. It doesn't need to be named credit card. Now here write the category, payment date, any tags, a memo, attachments, whatever you would like to add. You can also make it recurring if you'd like to. And then there are some advanced settings here, such as making the expenses or items billable, tracking by customer, show items, whatever you want to do. So then go and click save and close once you're done in the bottom right. And then you will have manually added that credit card transaction to QuickBooks Online. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.